Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add payment method in your Fortnite account. Now, previously you've created a Fortnite account underneath the Epic Games banner because Epic Games is the parent company. So you've created a Fortnite account and now you want to change or add a payment method. So how do you do it? So the first thing you do is from your preferred browser, you type in the search bar, you type in www.epicgames.com/account/personal to bring you here directly. Then from here, you can just simply click on payment management from the left side menu here, and then you can see your payment method. Here it is. So by saving your payment information, this payment method will be set as a default for all purchases made using your Epic Games account on PC and mobile, including purchases on the Epic Games Store, in Fortnite, Rocket League, and Fall Guys. So you can see underneath the Epic Games parent company, we also have the Fortnite account, Rocket League, and the Fall Guys. So like I said before, Epic Games is like the parent company, so we have all these other ones underneath it. So once you've created anything or done anything on the Epic Games account like this, it also affects the other ones in a way. So let us choose. Let's say we want to use a credit card. Choose it, and then the next thing they show you the credit cards are accepted up here. You can see the type. So next thing, you put in the card number, then you put the name on the card, the expiration date, the CVV, and then you click on save billing account. So that's it, and from there there's any other option, any other thing for you to do to pop up, and you can just simply follow the pop-up instructions. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to add payment method on Epic Games, in this case in Fortnite. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this one which we put up every day. See you later. Do not forget to like and subscribe, please. Bye for now.